beautiful devs, welcome back. So now we have returned back to our main website and the main tasks we have to do. So before moving further, we have to do certain more SEO and a very important thing we have to discuss in this video. So here you can see that when we will just go to posts, you can see that there are the categories and the tags, and these are two things, separate things. Why are these separate things and what is the purpose of this? So first of all, we will just open the categories and tags in the two new windows, and now you can see that here are the categories, and categories are actually the main group of certain topic posts. So for example, you have the posts related to business that will lie under the business category, and definitely in the categories you can create the subcategories as well. So for example, here we have the online earning. So if you want to create online earning with the YouTube category, you can create that, and then you can select here the main category, which is online earning. So now the new category will lie under this category, so that will be the subcategory. Okay, so in this way the categories are actually consist of, and I would recommend that you should have lesser categories. Too much categories are confusing, always confusing, and they can confuse your users, okay, the visitors. But now the thing is that we also want to target some keywords or some categories or some articles that can't be visible on our website. So for that purpose we can actually use the tags. So tags are actually the mini informations, or for example, if we have an article and we want to give certain tags to that article, then with that tag that article can be found out on our website. So here you can see that by default there are some tags: news, solid, we don't want this solid tag, let's delete this, and the tech tag is fine. Okay, so now for one article you can actually add multiple tags. So here in our case, if we go to the posts, for example, you will see that for any post, for example, let's open this post by clicking on edit. Okay, so this is a post, and for this post we already have did the SEO for every post, and you can see the SEO, meta description, etc. I already told you that how we can create our post which can be the SEO friendly. So this post is good, you can see good old fashioned pancakes. Okay, so this is a article. So if you will see on the right side, you can see that we have the categories section, where you can see that main section of the specific type of posts, and we have choose the recipes in this section, but we also have the tags section. So tags are also play a very important role for SEO purpose, and for example, if a certain person will come to your website and he want to search a certain tag, for example, he want to search your recipe, he will type recipe and your posts will be there. Okay, so here you can see that for the tags we can add, there is no limit to the tags, you can add even 100 or 1000 of tags, but it's not recommended. It's recommended that your tags should be within 10 words. So for example, here we can add a tag recipe. We can, now this tag is a edit. Whenever you will type a tag and enter, it will be added. We will add a tag food, we can add it. Okay, so this is the importance of tags, and you can add tags for all the articles, and definitely after adding the tags it will be great, and your website will be more searchable and more SEO friendly. That's it for this video. Next video we'll move further. Goodbye.